Basalt Linux 1.0 has officially arrived. And for Linux enthusiasts, who are always searching for something different, this release is generating a surprising amount of interest. In a world where many Linux distributions are built on the same foundations and often look and feel similar, Basalt Linux is trying to carve out its own identity. While it may not yet be a household name like Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, or Arch Linux, the release of version 1.0 marks an important milestone. It signals that the developers believe the project has matured enough to be considered stable, reliable, and ready for everyday users. When a Linux distribution reaches version 1.0, it usually represents years of development, testing, experimentation, and community feedback. It is more than just another software update. It is a declaration that the project has reached a level of completeness where users can confidently install it on their systems and expect a polished experience. Basalt Linux 1.0 aims to provide exactly that, offering a modern desktop environment, up-to-date software packages, strong performance, and a streamlined user experience designed for both newcomers and experienced Linux users. One of the first things users notice about Basalt Linux 1.0 is its clean presentation. From the moment the installer launches, there is a clear focus on simplicity. The installation process avoids unnecessary complexity while still providing enough options for advanced users who want more control over their setup. This balance is often difficult to achieve because Linux distributions typically lean heavily toward either beginner-friendly automation or advanced customization. Basalt Linux attempts to sit comfortably in the middle. The desktop environment included with Basalt Linux 1.0 immediately gives a modern impression. The design language feels current without trying too hard to imitate Windows or Mac OS. Instead, it embraces the strengths of Linux desktop customization while maintaining a consistent visual identity. The menus are intuitive, the settings are logically organized, and navigation feels smooth throughout the system. New users transitioning from Windows may find the learning curve surprisingly manageable, while longtime Linux users will appreciate the thoughtful organization and responsiveness. Performance is another area where Basalt Linux 1.0 makes a strong first impression. The operating system feels lightweight and responsive, even on modest hardware. Applications launch quickly, desktop animations remain fluid, and system resources are used efficiently. In an era where many operating systems continue to demand increasingly powerful hardware, lightweight distributions have become more important than ever. Basalt Linux recognizes this trend and appears optimized for a broad range of systems, including older computers that may struggle with heavier operating systems. This focus on efficiency makes Basalt Linux particularly interesting for users looking to extend the life of aging hardware. Many people face the prospect of replacing perfectly functional computers simply because newer versions of commercial operating systems have increased hardware requirements. Linux distributions often provide an alternative path, allowing users to continue using existing devices without sacrificing usability or security. Basalt Linux 1.0 positions itself as one of these alternatives, delivering a modern experience without excessive resource consumption. Software availability is naturally a major consideration for any Linux distribution. Basalt Linux 1.0 includes a carefully selected collection of applications that cover the needs of most users immediately after installation. Web browsing, office productivity, media playback, image viewing, and system management tools are all readily available. The goal appears to be creating a practical out-of-the-box experience where users can begin working almost immediately, rather than spending hours configuring the system. Package management is another critical aspect of the Linux experience, and Basalt Linux 1.0 appears to offer a straightforward approach. Installing software is simple, updates are easy to manage, and repositories provide access to a wide selection of applications. For experienced Linux users, flexibility remains important, and Basalt Linux seems to understand this by supporting both graphical and command-line package management workflows. This dual approach ensures accessibility without limiting power users. Security is increasingly important in today's computing landscape, and Basalt Linux 1.0 benefits from the broader Linux ecosystem's reputation for strong security practices. Regular updates, modern software packages, and access to current security patches help keep systems protected. The developers appear committed to maintaining the distribution actively, which is essential because even the most secure operating system can become vulnerable if updates are neglected. Another area where Basalt Linux 1.0 stands out is customization. Linux users often choose the platform because it allows extensive personalization, and Basalt Linux embraces this philosophy. Themes, icons, desktop layouts, panel configurations, and workflow adjustments can be modified according to individual preferences. This flexibility allows users to create an environment tailored specifically to their needs, rather than being forced into a one-size-fits-all design. The release also demonstrates attention to visual polish. While functionality remains the priority, aesthetics matter because they influence how enjoyable a system feels during daily use. Basalt Linux 1.0 features a cohesive visual style that extends across the desktop environment, system applications, and settings menus. Consistency helps create a professional appearance and contributes to an overall sense of refinement. Hardware compatibility is another important factor for users considering a new Linux distribution. Basalt Linux 1.0 appears designed with broad compatibility in mind, supporting a wide range of processors, graphics hardware, networking devices, and peripherals. Linux hardware support has improved dramatically over the years, and modern distributions increasingly work well on diverse systems. Basalt Linux benefits from these broader ecosystem improvements while incorporating its own optimizations. For developers and technical users, Basalt Linux provides access to the tools needed for programming, scripting, and software development. Whether working with Python, C++, JavaScript, Rust, or other popular languages, users can install development environments and begin building projects quickly. The operating system's stability and efficiency make it an attractive platform for coding tasks, while Linux's extensive software ecosystem ensures access to countless development resources. One interesting aspect of Basalt Linux 1.0 is how it positions itself within the crowded Linux landscape. New distributions often face significant challenges because users already have many excellent options available. To succeed, a distribution needs a compelling reason for users to try it. Basalt Linux seems focused on delivering a balanced experience that combines performance, usability, simplicity, and customization without overwhelming users with complexity. Community support will likely play a crucial role in the project's future success. Linux distributions thrive when active communities form around them, providing assistance, documentation, tutorials, and feedback. The release of version 1.0 often acts as a catalyst for community growth, because users are more willing to adopt software that has reached a stable milestone. As more people experiment with Basalt Linux, the ecosystem surrounding it may expand significantly. Documentation is another area that can determine whether a distribution succeeds or struggles. New users frequently encounter questions during installation, configuration, or troubleshooting. Well-written documentation reduces frustration and helps users become productive more quickly. Early impressions suggest that Basalt Linux is making an effort to provide accessible information, which is encouraging for long-term adoption. The timing of Basalt Linux 1.0 is also noteworthy. Interest in Linux continues to grow as users seek alternatives to proprietary operating systems. Concerns about privacy, hardware requirements, subscription models, and increasing system restrictions have encouraged many people to explore open-source solutions. Linux distributions that prioritize ease of use and modern design are particularly well-positioned to attract these users, and Basalt Linux appears to recognize this opportunity. For content creators, Basalt Linux provides access to a variety of tools for video editing, graphic design, audio production, and streaming. While Linux still faces challenges with certain specialized commercial applications, the availability of powerful open-source alternatives continues to improve. Many creators now use Linux successfully for professional work, and Basalt Linux can serve as a capable foundation for these workflows. Gaming is another area where Linux has made tremendous progress in recent years. Thanks to advancements such as Proton, Steam Play, improved graphics drivers, and expanded developer support, thousands of games now run effectively on Linux systems. Basalt Linux 1.0 benefits from these ecosystem-wide improvements, making it a potentially appealing option for gamers who want to explore Linux without sacrificing access to their favorite titles. The significance of a version 1.0 release should not be underestimated. It represents confidence from the development team and provides a signal to potential users that the project is ready for wider adoption. While future updates will undoubtedly introduce new features, improvements, and refinements, Basalt Linux 1.0 establishes the foundation upon which those future developments will be built. As users spend more time with the operating system, its strengths become increasingly apparent. Fast performance, clean design, practical defaults, customization options, and a commitment to usability all contribute to a positive first impression. No operating system is perfect, and Basalt Linux will undoubtedly continue evolving based on user feedback and technological changes. However, the initial release demonstrates considerable promise. For Linux enthusiasts, Basalt Linux 1.0 is worth watching closely. For newcomers considering their first Linux installation, it may offer an accessible entry point. For experienced users seeking something fresh and efficient, it provides an interesting alternative to established distributions. The Linux ecosystem thrives because of innovation and diversity, and Basalt Linux contributes to both. Ultimately, the first look at Basalt Linux 1.0 reveals a distribution that understands the importance of balance. It aims to be powerful without being intimidating, customizable without being confusing, and modern without being resource-hungry. Those goals are ambitious, but the release suggests that the developers have made meaningful progress toward achieving them. Whether Basalt Linux becomes a major player in the Linux world remains to be seen. But version 1.0 delivers a strong introduction and establishes a solid foundation for the project's future. For anyone interested in discovering new Linux distributions, Basalt Linux 1.0 is certainly one to keep on the radar.